Эксперт итальянской мебели компания Mobili представляет.
Natuzzi Editions produces a variety of leather coverings. These range from natural, unprotected, to protecta, protected with an invisible coating to increase resistance to wear, stains, and spills. Natural leathers offer soft touch, beautiful finishes, and contain all the natural markings of the basic hide. These markings can include insect bites, slight variations in grain and color, healed scars, smaller, darker circles, and other indications of authenticity. None of these markings indicate an imperfection. Rather, they are a living history of the hide's life. They are your assurance that you're looking at a completely natural product which will age gracefully over time and gain a beautiful patina. All Natuzzi Editions leathers are extremely durable. In fact, leather will usually outwear normal fabric coverings 4 to 1, allowing leather to offer an excellent value. Natuzzi Editions offers a variety of leather types or articles. Each article offers a particular look, feel, and characteristic. Your Natuzzi Editions sales representative can show you a wide variety to help you find the leather that's right for you. Leather is a completely natural covering. Leather is neither warm in the summer nor cold in the winter. Leather is breathable and it adjusts easily to the ambient temperature and to the temperature of your body. Leather is non-allergenic. Dust and surface dirt wipe away easily, especially on Protecta leathers. Bonded leathers are basically fabric backings with ground-up leather shavings bound to the backing with an adhesive. Bonded leathers do not demonstrate the same wear characteristics as real leather. You won't find any bonded products in the Natuzzi Editions line. Split leathers are hides which have been cut or split, separating the top layer from the underlayer. The second layer is then embossed with a grain pattern similar to the top grain. Often the split layer is used on areas which do not experience heavy use like the sides and the backs of a sofa. Know where your body touches. Need more information? Want to learn more? Your Natuzzi Editions sales representative can give you more information to help you make an informed choice when it comes to investing in leather.
Экономьте ваше время и деньги. Мобилизируйте вашу жизнь с Mobili.ua.